Hey guys, PJ back with Exotic Car Hacks, and today I figured we'll do a quick little update on some of the things that have been happening in the garage. So you are going to see, first off, I'm going to post a really awesome video showing you how to avoid a very common scam here in South Florida with dealerships. So I've decided to blacklist Champion Porsche for being such a bunch of like clowns. And so you're gonna get a full video on that so you can protect yourself against dealers like that and you don't fall victim to that. But today we're actually taking a look at two quick things. It's possible, I don't know yet, but it's very likely that the Senna is sold. I love this car, it's unbelievable. It's one of the hottest cars on the Senna. Hottest colors you can buy, I think, on the car, and it wasn't until I saw it till I realized it. The only one vermilion red ever made Senna with an MSO interior, absolutely striking. Perfect car, but I believe it found a new home. We will see if it's gone. An update will come on that. Now also, the Rolls Royce Black Badge Ghost is back. So it is back because it was away, that's right, for getting a new set of wheels. So, you know, I have kind of mixed feelings with what we did here, so it's gonna take me a little bit of time to really decide if I love it or hate it. Do I want it? Do I not want it? Here is the 2022 Black Badge Ghost, and you can see it right here. It is sitting on some incredible 22-inch wheels. This is the same exact wheel I was running on basically every single Ghost Wraith Dawn I've ever gotten. This set was specifically made for the new Ghost, which is a very different offset than the previous one. So, you know, it's not really like you can't just interchange wheels anymore with the new body. This new platform is based on the Phantom, so it's a little bit different. The fitment on the wheels is great. It's got lowering links, so we brought it down a little bit. I don't like to slam my cars because I think generally when you slam a car, it changes the dynamic of the drive a lot. So in this case, I enjoy just kind of having a flush look. But with this particular wheel, I feel like the car is very strong, very steady, and very squarish, and his wheel design is very refined and fine, and I don't know that it works. It does a really good job at showcasing the calipers. It doesn't do that good of a job per se when it comes to what you call like the way the car flows. I don't know what it is, and maybe my eyes have to get used to it, but the reason we went with a brushed polish finish here is because we have these chrome door handles on the side, so now with the side view you have the chrome, for the front and the back you have all the black. Looks cool, but I don't know, I'm still kind of like living it up. Now I want to show you what it looks like once the car lowers itself, because it creates a very dynamically different look. Now we've done a full review on this car, you should have seen it. If you haven't, click the link back, check out some of the previous videos. This is an incredible, highly commissioned, $500,000 black badge with every possible option. Even the umbrellas are commissioned with the matching colors to the interior. Very, very rare burnout gray color with a lot of really cool stuff, like including shooting star headliner, stars on the dash, everything you can basically buy in this car. Now I'm gonna lower it, you guys stay here, check out what it looks like once it's completely slammed and tell me if you like it better that way. I'm gonna go down real quick. You're gonna notice the front goes down and the rest basically kind of follows along. Really interesting how it works, because you can do it with a button, but you can't drive with it, which is a little bit different. But I still wanted to show you guys so you could see how it kind of turns out when it's slammed, because I have mixed feelings about if I prefer it slammed and I want to lower it more, or I kind of want to leave it classy kind of on top. So I would love to hear your thoughts. You guys tell me if you think you like this slam look. Take a look now. You see the car is significantly lower, more exciting looking in terms of like gangster style, whatever. But it just, you know, it just doesn't hit for me. Like there's something that really doesn't hit, and I don't know what it is. Like it's not the offset. I think it's the style. I don't know if it's the color. Some will argue it needs a black wheel, and look, the factory 21s are beautiful carbon fiber wheels. I might just go back to that. But I think, I mean, the car is stunning. It's a stunning car. It's quickly become one of my favorite daily drivers. The real problem though is, do we love the wheels or not? So I'm gonna let you guys kind of give me your opinion. I know we all have different tastes. A lot of you guys don't like the stuff I do to cars. It's very specific to heritage and why I do certain things to cars, but I would like your opinion in terms of two things. Why don't you go in the comments and tell me, do you think this wheel design works on the new Ghost? And then two, should I do something different in terms of color? Like the polish was something unique. For the first time in my life, I don't believe I'm gonna say this, but maybe a black wheel might work here better than a chrome wheel, like a polished wheel. But let me know your thoughts, I'd love to hear it. So go into the comments, let me know what I should do. And then check this out, this is my favorite thing. You can see this, look at how cool it looks with the stars on the dash. It's absolutely striking, you see that? Like it is just, this car is ridiculously hot, like ridiculous. So I would love for you guys to comment, let me know. And then I just want to give you a quick update on this car because we just finished it, it looks really sick. But again, so put the comments, let me know. Subscribe, turn on notifications, just a quick update. We're just screwing around today, doing some extra videos. And again, don't forget, if you want to learn how to get in and out of exotic cars right now, click the link in the description and learn our advanced hacking strategies that'll allow you to do that. Now remember, recession, no recession makes no difference. We've been doing this since back in 2005. It's helped 20,000 plus people and it's going to help you too. So click the link and I'll catch you on the next one.